So we're talking low contrast versus high contrast makeup. And one thing we always forget when talking about contrast is the color that we're wearing also adds contrast to our overall coloring. So not only do we look at hair, skin tone, eyes, eyebrows to bring contrast, we also look at the color that we are wearing. Now up here, Margot Robbie, normally we see her as a blonde, which lowers her contrast. But here we have very dark hair. We also have a very high contrast color dress, which is this bright, intense red, which is bringing another level of contrast to her, which is now increasing her overall contrast. But we notice she wore a very low contrast to medium contrast makeup look. Now, what I would recommend is going with a high contrast look, because what's going to happen is when Margot Robbie walks in the room with a low contrast makeup look, we're going to look at her hair, we're going to look at her dress, we're not going to look at her. But with high contrast, that brings the attention to her face.